Damavish says, makes sense, Julian. Are you inspired by 81-year-old Larry Ellison, who just keeps going? Forgive my ignorance. I'm not fully aware of Larry Ellison, but I do respect anyone who works hard. I think what's really interesting is, like hard work is a currency. It's kind of like respect. What are some tools I can create with AI, right? Because I create a lot of my work through ChatGPT, so it knows me very well and it knows what work I work on, saves time and get more leverage. Because here's the other thing as well. I know, like, for example, internet marketing, Jenna, you were talking about creating tools with Replit. I tend to find like Replit, data button tools like these are really, really good for more complicated tools that might take like weeks or months to generate, right? So for example, if you have an ongoing project where it's like, okay, you need to, let's say someone's building a jobs board, which is something I did with data button. If you're building a jobs board, the other thing that I really like about using AI Studio versus using custom GPTs is that when you use a custom GPT, there's not really a nice UI, right? Like the UI is super boring. Whereas, for example, if you're using the UI inside one of these tools, like I'm showing you today, the UI is a lot nicer, right? It's just easier to use, easier to share, etc. So what else we got here? We've got the sales QC analyzer. That's something I do a lot. So I quality control my team sales calls, give them feedback, train them up daily, and measure them based on are they improving or not. Right? And so, like, for example, if I could take a sales call, plug them in through here, that would be really cool, right? Now, again, you can see ChatGPT is like overly complicated that, right? So, for example, auto pull from Zoom or GHL, transcribe them with Whisper or Assembly AI, and then run a prompt to summarize a call. The way that I would just do that is I would create a tool inside Google AI Studio. And I'd be like, right, okay, give me a tool that takes my sales call transcript and then based on my attached sales checklist, critique them and give them feedback and just give them 1 to 3 improvements. That's the way that I would look at it. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to pull up a sales script. It would take me ages to find them. But let's have a look. We've got the ad performance snapshot. That could be quite cool as well. Again, you can see this is pulling in like different APIs. So I'm going to say create tools that pull in API data. Just focus on simple stuff, e.g. YouTube live stream ideas. So I'm actually going to put this prompt inside the notes from today as well. And then you can see it gives me the goal and how it works, right? So live stream notes builder. So you paste in your live stream topic and the tool generates a hook and intro lines, 3 to 5 talking points, value, and CTAs. And then it gives me the leverage here as well. What else we got here? School post rewriter. So you paste the post you wrote. It creates 3 written versions for engagement, storytelling, authority. This would be quite interesting. Let's try and create this, all right? So we're going to go to AI Studio over here, back to start, X off that, plug this in, school post rewriter, turn one post into multiple variations fast, how it works. And then I'm going to say writing style from an SEO prompt that I really like, plug that in, hit build, and we'll see if that will do its magic. So it's developing the features over here, and then we'll see what we get back in a sec. The other thing you could do is like, you don't have to just do this for work stuff. So you could, for example, paste that prompt, but say like, what are some personal tools, for like personal lifestyle stuff as well. So for example, if we go over here, you can see like it gave me an idea for a daily leverage planner. So it can create a focus plan for your top leverage activities of the day. Here's a prompt, boom, right? Offer angle generator. That would be really cool actually. So some ideas for that. Affiliate content repurposer, a micro content hook creator. These are still work related. I don't know why it's not giving me some personal tools, but yeah, you get the idea. We have the title idea. That's from Lovable. I mean, to be fair, that looks nice. So Lovable finally got back to us with the ideas. The UI is pretty nice. Let's see what we got for title ideas. GPT Pro API. I mean, this is old news, isn't it? It's old news. Yeah. Not impressed with the Lovable one. So now we're going to paste in that content from school, and we'll see if this can create and rewrite the post that we've generated. Don't know why it's focusing on the keyword, probably because I messed up the prompt, but we'll get some ideas on that now. And there we go. We've got some rewritten examples, right? Again, I will try and like get this to format it nicer because the formatting is not good. The actual content itself is decent. And then it's got like a storytelling version for the post, an authority version. Again, I would probably tweak this a lot compared to what we've already got, but you get the point. You see how it works. So just to recap here, peeps,